Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT errors of bad gateway. So first of all, you want to open up your ChatGPT, and if you're seeing this the error here, you want to click on here on your site settings and click on site settings. Once you are on site settings, you want to go ahead and click delete data. And after that, you want to go back here, and now you want to click on cookies and site data, manage on-device site data, and just delete it. Just like so. Now you want to go ahead and check if the problem is still there. If the problem is still there, you want to open up command prompt and run it as administrator. And then you're gonna go ahead and enter a few commands. So the first one would be to ipconfig //flush DNS, and another one would be net8sh winsock reset. And after that, you want to go ahead and restart your PC. If the problem is still not fixed, it might be because of the server down, so just check online. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.